This is a story that I think worth to be shared. Started as 4 friends talking about traveling for fun, of how little to no preparation of things we decided to carry or do there. But I guess this is our story about Thailand. Meeting new faces, speaking language we never heard before, planning how we are going to go places, challenging ourselves to take different roads, which is not on the map, are the things we face every day here. Sometimes it's easy, and sometimes just isn't there. But that's how life is supposed to be. To be able to enjoy it, we must be brave to take a step and head on the downs and ups. Because in every downs and ups you get, there will always be moments like that. Of how lonely you are, or how insignificant you think you are, there will always something to surprise you at every turn. So don't worry in the end and live on. Tell the tale and do the best you can every day, even if life decides to turn you down. But knowing you already try to do your best are blessings that you will never regret. Because in the end, it's never about who finished first, but it's always about those who enjoys this little moment.